All right, this may be take one. Hello, everybody. This is Diva T4040, and you may see half of me. Y'all know how I do. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Actually, it's 4:15. Today is Thursday, um, January 23rd, 2025. So this won't be long for sure, uh, because I only have this is the last portion of my vendor haul for some projects I have coming up. I have conventions coming up. I have some vendor opportunities I'm trying to get prepared for. And in between going to the doctor and life be lifing and praying extra hard every day based on what we're looking at for our American future here. But I digress. So, um, minus one seller, which is the first one I'm going to show. This is the continuation of a big order that came in twos from Crafter's Kiss, which I've shown in the previous video, the apple shaped container that had the beads and stuff in it. So I got 3 orders total from her. Like I said before, she sells on Whatnot and she sells on TikTok. That's how I met on TikTok. But you know, we went through what we went through with the farce that was the shutdown. So she's still there. And so I got my last order from her Whatnot live that she did. So I had 2 orders from Whatnot and 1 order from TikTok. And actually, yeah, this is the one from TikTok. Then I got my last order for now from Valley Girl Empire, which is Val, who is destashing that big bundle of wraps and things. But this particular order is not that big. It's mostly wraps, and then I got something in there that I'm gonna show you guys. So really fast because I'm already at 2 minutes. So the vendor that I didn't show in the previous hauls, her name is Kimberly, and she's here in Texas, but she lives in another city. And the name of her company is Bougie Chic Boutique. You can find her on the shop app. She has a website, Bougie, Boujee, and then Chic, Chic, and then Boutique. And she's a Texas seller, sorry. So she has a website. You can find her on shop under Bougie Chic Boutique. She has a wholesale group on Facebook, and she's on all the other apps. And so I was trying to get some of those. I do a lot of rhinestoning, as you all know. So I was able to get from her, what do they call these? The beatable rhinestone picker tool. So this is a tool that you would use to pick up your rhinestones. And I was going to show y'all what mine look like. My regular one. But I don't have it with me. I mean, I don't have it in front of me. And I don't know where I stuck it at the moment. But this is what the rhinestone pen looks like. Come on, there you go. And so I got 5 of them, and I forgot the price, but you'll be able to see on her website. So I have pink, purple, rose gold, and navy blue, and a teal blue. So this is what the teal blue looks like. And so the pointy end where you can move the rhinestones around is on this end. You can bead it, and then the wax tip is on this end. And I have extra wax tips that I got in my pen, which I'm mad that I can't think of where it is. Listen, if it was been something, it'd bit me. So this is what the rhinestone tool looks like. My tip is blue because my pen is blue. I got this one for $5. $5 at the nail supply here in my city. Because I have another one and the tip broke and I didn't have extra tips. So this one came with the tip on it, and then the metal part is on this end, and it has the cute little beads in the middle. With these, you can put the beads on them like everybody's beading the pins, and put a focal on it. This comes off. One of these ends comes off. You can put beads on them, acrylic beads, glass, whatever, silicone beads, and then a focal in the middle, make it real pretty. So I have 5. I got 5 of those. Um, this is my free gift, and it's a beadable pen. Oh, I gotta turn around. It's a beadable pen inside. She knows because she gets to know her customers. So this is Betty Boop. Pen wrap is inside, and then there's another pen wrap inside that's flowers and butterflies because that's my favorite and that's my sign. There's a beadable pen and a couple of beads. So this was a free gift that was in with my order. I got a bag full of, and when I say her packaging was A1, it came in this bag. The wraps came in a, because I'm going to show you the wraps in a few minutes, but I got a couple of wraps from her, and I got some A5 journal size decals, and they came in this bag, right? So the pens and the flatbacks and the beads came in this box. This box was inside this bag. It was taped to the high heavens because I almost couldn't get it open. And it was just wonderful. Our postal people need to get their act together because I had 3 orders of this size shoved into my mail slot. And there was a little room in there for it to do like this because it was inside the box, thank God. But baby, when I catch hold to my postal lady, because you know I don't play about my stuff. So really fast, I'm going to show you the goodies I got. And she's very patient, works with you when you're looking for stuff. And if she can't find it, she doesn't sugarcoat it or any of that. This order wasn't big because, you know, it was close to the end of the month. And I needed these items for a convention that is on the 8th of February. So I split my order because I had a big order. I split my order, and so we worked it out. So I have some focals, and I'm going to try to go really fast. So this is a Sigma Gamma Rho. You have to excuse my nails. So this is Sigma Gamma Rho. This is, because I'm looking at them upside down. This is I think that's Sigma Gamma Rho too. I can't see the right around there, but I do know my sororities. So this is a round focal. The hole is in that end and in that end. And if I wanted to put this focal on the wax pen, I could put a couple of beads in it, some shiny beads or whatever. I am making pens for people who have lost loved ones, and this one says, I am always with you, and it's the red canary. And if you don't know what the red canary signals, Google it. It's very nice. So I got the square one. They do come around. I got the square with the white background, and I also have the gray ones. Same canary, and it's double-sided. Same canary, but the round ones, the background is gray on the ones that I have. So I got some more Betty Boop, and these are focals. They're made out of silicone. So Betty would stand up on the pen, and the hole is here and comes out here. So I got 2 this time. And then I have another heart focal. I'm trying to see what that says. You matter. That's what it says. So it says you matter. And that's all the focals I got. And I did get 2 Sigma Gamma Rho focals to finish my pens. So these I have are flatbacks. We call them flatbacks. Some people call them planiers, planars, whatever. You can take these and glue them onto just about anything. It is hard plastic. These have glitter in the background. And this is AKA Alpha Kappa Alpha. And it says sisterhood. And I was trying to see if these came with a hole. You can drill a hole. Some people have drilled holes right in the very top to put them on keychains, glue them on phone cases, mirrors. This is going on some mirrors. So I have pink and green is AKA. And I got about 3 of those, or 4. Yeah, and I think all the ones that I'm about to show y'all, I get at least 2 to 4 because these are not double-sided. So on the back, you see the glitter or whatever they make it in. So these have a glitter background around the edges. So these are not double-sided. So if I made these into a pen or put these on a pen, there's a little clear thing you can put and glue 1 on each side. It would take 2 to put on the pen. The only thing is, you have to be mindful they don't line up correctly. So the lady with the skirt is on this side, but she's on the opposite side when you turn on the other side. So if they don't cut these right, they would not line up right. And so far, these pretty much line up right, but even though the lady's on the other side. So I always get 2 to 4 because I don't glue them on pins, but I will put a hole in it for a keychain. But these are going glued on mirrors as soon as I find a good deal on some compact mirrors. So I also have, try to go fast, Betty Boop with the dog. And all of these are flatbacks. I call them flatbacks or planiers. So flatbacks, Betty with the pup. I have that Betty. I have Betty with the wings, and some of these are for Valentine's Day crafts projects. I have Betty with the deck of cards. I have, show that last. I have 2 of this Betty, and I was waiting on this one because it's a brown and champagne with the glitter. So I have 2 of those. I got a planier for a friend of mine who lives in California, the other side of California, and she is an avid smut book reader. That's what she calls it. So this one says Smutty, 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 Smutty Book Club, and it has those little things on there. And I only got one because if she wants another one, then I can get some more. And this one says, buy me books and tell me to, and you have to, and you have to see what's on the back. It says, it's in letters, and if you know what it means, you know what it means. So the rest of these are I got that Betty, and I think that's the little girl Betty. I got this Betty, that's my favorite. Here's another Betty with a skirt up, so that makes 3. And then I got another, it's the veins for me for my phlebotomist. I have my own phlebotomist because I'm a hard stick. So that's, I want to say, yeah, that's all of the planiers. And I'm not going to go through the wraps from her order because I have them put up already, but I am going to show this right quick. So these are these are A5 size planner, UV DTF decals. So I got this book from Family Dollar. I wish they had, because when you look up the book by the UPC code, you can find other colors, but Family Dollar's here only had this metallic pink. It's really pretty. It's not loud, but it's a metallic pink, and as you can see, it's different colors, and they have a black. The black is matte, and I thought the black one is 5.625 by 8.5. So it's 80 sheets in here. It comes with the little strap, and it comes with the bookmarker string. This one the same way, but this one is not the same brand. This one has 80 sheets also, but the SKU is different. And this says journal with stickers. So in the back, there's a sheet of, very ordinary stickers you can use. This one says 5.75 by 8 inches. So A5 journals usually come 5 by 7. This one fits on here very nicely. Do a little trim. But when I laid it on here laying down, that would be very pretty. So I have only 3 or 4. I only have 3 that I got from her because I didn't want to get many if I didn't have the journals or if they weren't going to fit. And the journal she measured them on fit hers. And she sent me a picture. So I got Mom with the butterflies. Like I said, it's my favorite thing. And then I have just a sheet of butterflies. I can cut them up or put them all on there together or whichever you want to do. The mini butterflies and the big ones. And then I have this one for Valentine's Day. It says love all over and a bunch of hearts. This one looks very good on the black journal. So I got 3 of those. And then I have some 4x6 decals on this side. This one you can cut up as affirmation, positive vibes only words. So you can cut that up. And I did get some small journals from Dollar Tree. This one is a 70 sheet 4.25 by 6. So this one has glitter on it. I have other decals for that kind. I also got this. It says Velvet Journal. I wish this came in more colors, but the colors that I saw were the same as the Jot journals. And this is a Jot also, but it says velvet. I don't know why, because it doesn't feel velvet, but it feels very, very smooth. But it's a stronger binding because it's not a spiral binding, and it comes with this. So like I said, this is a 7x5, 7 inches by 5 inches. And then the Jot journals that I have been using is the same 7 inch by 5. So, but these come with a very thin, almost flimsy, but not quite. They hold up really well to UV DTF stickers, and they pop. They make them look almost 3D. But this is just not the sturdiest cover. It's just plastic. But it works good when you put a pen with this, put a nice decal on it, and you have a set. So because this is 7x5 and this is 7x5, the 4x6 decals that I have in here work really well. I have some affirmations, and I have a nail tech one, and I have I only got one of these, so I may go back and get some more. And then I have some 16-ounce cup wraps that can be cut up. These are affirmations. I love these. It says fix your wings and try again. You can cut these out or do it on the whole cup. And I got maybe 6 or 8 of those. So that's all in that order. So I'm going to stop because I don't know. I guess I could keep going. So the next order was from, like I said, no, I'm going to stop. I don't want to show how this. I'm going to stop and do the second part because I do want to show what's in this bag and what's in the bag from Valley Girl, because that's the special thing. So this order was from Bougie Chic Boutique, which is the owner is Kimberly Newsom. You can find her on Facebook. Wonderful lady, wonderful product, great shipping. I would have gotten my order if not for the weather. So they held back a day, and I'm fine with that. I wasn't in a major rush. I do pay extra close attention to my orders because some people act like they don't want to go to work or don't want to do the job that they're at or whatever the case may be. And I live in a subdivision, and putting something in somebody else's mailbox seems to be all right with a lot of postal people. So because I live in a subdivision that's inside a gated community and all of that, we keep our postal people. We're nice to them. They're nice to us. They look out for us. So I'm going to stop here, but this is got to be part 5 because I know when I stopped, I ran out of space. I was at part 4 with the large order, with the one that took up all the space in my phone. I think this Betty Boop is so gorgeous. Yeah, excuse my nails. My nail tech is in Thailand. She won't be back till after March. So I have to either find somebody to just do me a field till she get back and not mess with my curve, or pray that they don't start lifting before she get back. But they've been doing pretty good, but I do have my new growth. So there's that. And I said I only had 3. So I didn't see one. So I got 4 of these Betty Boops. And she was doing a sale. So my stuff stayed in my little cart basket with her for a while. And yes, like I said, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm in my muumuu and my nightgown, and I got my stocking cap on because I just did my deep conditioner. So this Diva T 4040. You all have a great evening. Be safe in whatever state you're in that's having this weather. And the fires are, I just found out or saw on the news, have started again somewhere in California off of Highway 95, or I think it's 95 or 105. So please be careful and pray for one another. We're going to need it more now than ever. Have a good evening.